At yung mga gaya ng Diplomat Hotel, naging tourist spot na rin ba, Mayor Benji?
Well, itong Diplomat Hotel, meron kaming ginagawa ngayon na Heritage Conservation Master Plan. At this is a 15 million na project na gagawin. Kasi hindi lang yung building ang gagawin na, pati yung buong complex. Ayusin namin lahat. Pero pa lang yun. Yan pa lang yung design at yung mga technical plans niyan. It amounts to 15 million kasi binigay sa amin yan ng National NCCA. So, ginagawa na ngayon, ongoing na yung project, ongoing na yung development, yan yung master development plan. Ang total cost ng pagpapaayos ng buong Dominican complex would be around 350 million.